the Aquverse 1PH Bottleless Water Cooler with Install Kit. This is by far the best Aquverse countertop water bottleless water cooler that you can buy today. Compared to other options on the market, you would not be able to find any similar water feature that offers the same features in this price range. Plus, the Aquverse 1PH Bottleless Water Cooler comes with a complete installation kit, which makes the process of installing this water dispenser in your kitchen or office a breeze and much more affordable as compared to having to buy a separate installation kit. The Aquverse 1PH Bottleless Water Cooler is a complete system that does provide you not only instant access to cold water, but also has a separate dispenser for heated water. All incoming water is first run through a built-in filtration system, ensuring that the water dispensed through either of the taps is clean and free of any toxins.